Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So again, I'm gonna go hang out with my husband. I feel like we're like attached like this. We're always together. So yes, I'm just gonna do something quick and to the point. And so if you want to see what do I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I'm actually gonna use, I haven't used this palette in so long. It is the Holiday 01 from Natasha Denona. It's all dirty, but you know what, it's fine. Who cares about dirt? So we're gonna go into this shade right here, this one, and this is a T11 from Makeup Shack. Is that? Yeah. And then we're just gonna put this right here. This is cute. And then when I get to the edges, I'm just gonna like use my brush in like a little circular motion to make sure this gets nicely blended. Like so. I feel like I need a little bit of something dark, maybe. Let us see. So I'm gonna go into this shade, which is smack down in the middle, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And then just buffing it nicely. So I like this, but I don't know about how non-dark it is. I had a single shadow from, this gonna work. So this is from McGrath and it's called Dark Matter. It's just a plain black shadow. So this is a Y216, so I'm gonna keep this like tight, you know, just tight, because I want it like right here, just tight. Just to give here like a little bit of depth. Like I just think like it is too pinky over here. Kind of like this. And then I'm gonna go back to this brush. And just so perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and guess what? I will be right back. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about Miss Chanel, which was pretty pricey. First, let's jump on this. So it was $65. I know it's not crazy like, you know, Tom Ford or what's the other one that's like insane, Sicily, I think. Oh, and I did prime my face with my Facade Skin Tune Blur. This is so pretty and bougie looking, and it is glass obviously because it's Chanel. So this looks like a good. So it says, oops, see, already not paying attention. So it says that here. Oh, look at this much, and then it says to bring it up. I used this yesterday, but I guess I'll use this again. This is from Makeup by Mario, and it is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer, aka Contour. If you like just started getting into contour, like this is everything. Like it's just gives you that just little contour situation that you may need. Nothing crazy. Just making sure I bring that back. I don't know why my TV is flickering today. It's annoying. You know, if you follow my channel for a minute, you know my setup. It's like my camera is connected to my computer, and my computer is connected to my TV. Or I have a TV up here. Perfect. Perfect. So let's go ahead and do a little situation from. So this is Joy from Rare Beauty, and I don't want to do too much because I think I did too much yesterday. I wish I don't want to do too much, and then I still end up doing too much. And then this is from e.l.f. and it is from their retro collection. I just wanted one brush. And just tap it. Like so. What do you want for concealer? I'm gonna use my ABH concealer. I'm gonna let my eye part dry a little bit while I blend the rest. I don't know why it's flickering. I keep moving my mirror and then I can't find it. Just bringing it up to make sure I get that clean into all the places. And then we're gonna go ahead and set under my eye, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna put a little bit like so. And if you're interested, I get this from Amazon. It has a perfect little, you know, right here. It just fits. It just fits right in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set with my Chanel powder in translucent 2, I think. Yes. This is so smooth. So it wasn't my intention to, you know, set it with my Chanel powder. It was just right there, right there. So you're like, you know, it's there, so why not use it? Just ignore all the stuff that's going on here. Just ignore it. And to set the rest of my face, let's do my micro smooth powder from Sephora, if I can find my brush. And then this is 734 from Luxie. Sometimes I talk about my brushes and sometimes I don't. Because for the most part, like, I don't buy brushes very often. But then if I do, even if I buy, like, I repurchase a lot of my brushes. So then I end up having the same brushes because, you know, if it works. it works, right? You know, I feel like when I put on liquid blush, it just disappears. It just disappears. I'm gonna go ahead and put this gold pencil from Marc Jacobs in my waterline. They don't carry this anymore, but I think they do have like another gold shade. I think this was like a limited edition. Yeah, this is like just running on my waterline, but you know what? We're gonna come back to this and just keep it moving. So let us. So let's see. So I'm gonna put a dark shade. Right here. Let's try this from Urban Decay, and this one is what, Gold Mine. But you know what? Actually, early on I was saying it was a limited edition from Marc Jacobs. You actually can't get any makeup from Marc Jacobs anymore because I think they discontinued that whole line. Which I think was terrible. Terrible. And then I'm just gonna bring down that gold, just like right here. Let us bronze, let us bronze. I'm obsessed with these, and my husband enables that obsession. I'm gonna use this Sephora brush. It is the 72 fan brush, and that's what we're gonna use to bronze. And I'm gonna use the mixed race from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. We are almost done. Let's use this one from Patrick Star, or One Size. I like how, you know, for the most part, like when I talk about this makeup people, like when I just say Rihanna, like, you know, like me and her are like cool, and we just, you know. But we're not. Hopefully, one day, you know. One day. So I'm actually just using that eyeshadow for highlighter, the one that I have in my inner corners, on right here. You have to use products for multiple purposes, you know, so you can make your product work for you or last longer, or because these products are expensive. So just gonna give my nose a little bit of snatchery, just a little bit. I don't really like do this very often. I love my nose as is. I thought like people that do it don't like their nose. It's just to each his own. Some people contour their nose, some people don't. I do, but very little, because again, I like the way my nose is, so yeah. This is from Buxom, and it is Pro Line Real Red. I don't know what lip I'm gonna wear yet. This is from Bare Mineral, not Bare Minerals. Rare Beauty, and this is Strengthen. I'm just gonna put a little bit in order V. Let's set it. I'm gonna use my Scandinavia. This one is the brighter. So that's it, guys, for the video. Oh my god, I like how this, you know, it's not crazy. I think it's like a nice soft look. I think I went a little bit crazy with my wing, but you know, something that happens. So yeah, so that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.